Model 2000F drive blade replacement and R2 foot kit installation. Before you begin, empty the nails from the nail channel. Using a 3mm hex wrench, loosen the 4 screws holding the gate plate. Remove the gate plate. Turn the nailer over and using the 3mm hex wrench, remove the 4 cap screws. Remove the cap and cylinder cap seal. Using a pair of pliers, remove drive blade assembly from cylinder. Next, prepare new drive blade assembly for installation by applying white lithium grease around the O-ring. Insert new drive blade assembly into cylinder with raised notch facing up. Turn nailer around and push the drive blade assembly through the joint guide. Notice raised notch is facing up. Position the cylinder cap seal and cap. Using the 3mm hex wrench, install the 4 cap screws. Turn nailer over, position and slide the new gate plate in place. Use the 3mm hex wrench to tighten the 4 gate plate screws. The nailer is now ready for use.